Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I got my Ice Cream Beauty for December. Now I'm filming during the day, so the lighting is not the best, but this is what happens. So this I got, and it is a fun box, y'all. This is $25, and that includes shipping. You get 5 full-size products, and most of the time it's makeup. They also have a bag that is $12.50, and you pay some shipping on that one. And I've been told it's about $4 for the shipping, so that makes it about $16.50. And I don't know how many products you get in there, but I'm pretty sure that you get a palette in both subscriptions. Not positive. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure you do. So let's open it and see what is in here. I'm excited. I did cut it open. The box is super cute. You know, we get different size boxes depending on what they've got going on. So when you open it, it looks like this. They have these peanuts in here that you can put in water so they dissolve. So they're nice because they had to smash them down a little bit to get them to fit in the box. So it protects everything. And you do get a card. I think Smudge is right here if he wants to come up. Oh, this is so cute. You get a card that tells you what's on there. It says December is milk and cookies for Santa. And then they tell you a little bit about the item and the value of each item. So let's see what we've got. Oh, this is adorable. I'm gonna not show you that first because it's a cute one. I'll show it to you in a minute. This is Pure Cosmetics brand. That's a beautiful package, and it's Picture Perfect HD powder. Here comes Smudge. And this is a beautiful package. Look at that pretty silver and all. I love, packaging to, doesn't it attract you when you go into a store and you buy something? Don't you like it to look pretty? It makes a difference, I think. So this is valued at $28. This is very, very pretty. You can see that powder in there, and this packaging is beautiful. There's the P for Pure Cosmetics, PC, and how this opens is right here. Oh, look how cute. It's got a mirror. I hope I didn't blind you. I didn't notice that. And then it's got a puff. And it has a little bit of, well, it's such a fine powder that a little bit was outside of it. It has a sticker that you peel back, and then you'll have your powder with your powder puff. Isn't that neat? So it's a very, very fine powder. Like I said, some of it has poofed out. It isn't, it's sealed. Well, I don't think you can see it. It's a little white fine. So I am assuming this is oh, I love how that works. It probably does open here as well, but I don't want to. Oh, okay, it's going to be like that. We don't want to do it that way. That's not the way it's intended. So it looks like a finishing powder. It says, "Is it snow? Unfortunately, no. A mattifying loose powder. Feels weightless on your skin." I'll tell you that little bit that was out there. It's just such a fine powder. It's beautiful. The HD formulas in this powder help create a flawless finish on HD cameras and in everyday life. Don't worry about flash with this product. A tip for oily skin types is to apply a small amount before and after foundation application. Well, that is very interesting. So, I use a powder foundation, y'all, and I do use a finishing powder, not all the time. I do forget about it because I was using Bare Minerals, and with their products, you do have a finishing powder. So, but I've been using Laura Geller more regularly, so I forget sometimes to use my finishing powder. I've got a bunch from different companies, so I could definitely use it. But this is really pretty, and I'm anxious to try it. Look at it does look like snow in there. So beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Next, we have the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. This is nourished with coconut and argan oil, and this is an adorable package. I've seen this before. I've gotten this before. It is very, very cute. It's a little bottle in there, illuminating milk. So it is sealed with a sticker. I'm going to see if I can open up the little package so you can see. It's adorable. Look at, it looks like a milk crate. I may have to. Let me come back. All right, this I opened up, and I opened up a couple of things that have shrink wrap on it. This is very beautiful. It's a highlighter, and it's nourished with coconut oil. It's very beautiful, y'all. So a liquid highlighter. And, you know, like I said, I've seen it before. When I first started opening boxes, this was in quite a few boxes. Well, now I can't get it back in. But anyway, very pretty, very pretty. That is valued at, let's see where that one is, $15. And the Pure, I did tell you the Pure. Okay, so then we have a palette in here. We also have this Basic Beauty brand lip kit. This is valued at $25. It says get mistletoe ready with this basic lip kit, like, you know, beauty, what am I trying to say? Like, you know, your babe kind of thing. A lip liner is like a primer for your lips. It allows your lipstick to last without feathering or smudging. So this is very beautiful. Here is the, there's the name, Basic Beauty. Very pretty liner. Lip liner, nice and sharp in there. That's a beautiful point to it. And then here is the lipstick. And this is really dark and it's really beautiful. I'm not going to open it because I have too many dark ones right now. I have too many lipsticks going on, and I know, you know, you can never have too many lipsticks. You can never have too many brushes. It's true, it's true. But I have a limited room. So this will probably go in a future giveaway. It's a gorgeous set. So I'm happy to pass that on to someone. And then we have two other items, y'all. I'm going to show you this adorable thing. This was in shrink wrap. So I did take it out. This I've had before, this brand, Base Blue. And Base Blue, from what I've seen from them, I'm not sure if they do other things, but they do cosmetic sponges. And so this is a silicone-coated penguin blending sponge, valued at $13. So it's adorable. Let's see what it looks like. This card has information on it that, you know, I don't think they've ever showed us before. It has some talk about it. Visiting from the North Pole is your favorite penguin. Oh, it's so soft. This is beautiful. He's got a face, but you know, there's no seam, and then it has this little tail here. So this is nice. I think that's nice for holding. So there's your blending sponge. And he is adorable. Look how cute he is. See his little tail there? How cute is that? Their blending sponges are very nice. I've had them before, and I like them. This feels really good in my hands. It feels really good. And he's adorable. You can't pass up how cute he is. So it says that the sponge may look like an ordinary penguin blending sponge, but it's actually coated in silicone on the back, the black part. This allows for much less product absorption. Use wet for a dewy glow and dry for a more full coverage look. All right. So it feels, I don't feel any seam. Well, there I can maybe a little bit. It's very well done, and he is adorable. And I don't know if I could even use him, but I've touched him all over, so I guess he's mine. So, oh, look at this, y'all. He's got a little stand, and his little stand are feet. Oh my goodness, that is precious. That is precious. I don't know if the boys will take it from me from the bathroom sink. They may. And then we have a palette. So this box is valued at $126, y'all. The palette is called Goleta Chantico Beauty. And this palette is valued at $45. It's, oh, hey, they tell you how to pronounce it. Galleta. Oh, okay, thank you. I was good. I was close. Is the Spanish word for cookie. This palette contains a mix of matte and shimmer shades. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Very nice. It's cruelty-free and all that good stuff. And let's see. It has a nice magnet closure. That's very nice. Oh, it's beautiful. One side is a mirror. Wow, these are some vibrant colors. Hang on, I'm trying to get the color saver off. It's on there pretty good. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at that, y'all. Those are beautiful colors. You know, the minute, does this happen to other people when they open a palette? The minute I open this, I thought of somebody, and it's not me. I would use this palette. If I had this palette, I would use it from time to time. but I just see a certain friend of mine in this palette. So I think I probably will send it to her. She may not feel the same way as I do, but that's what I see. I see somebody in there. So, and it's just gorgeous. There's a lot of shimmers. These are shimmers. These are glitters, I guess. Shimmer over here. These are shimmers. And then there are some mattes. And look at those, the beautiful greens. The purples are stunning. I love the burgundies. These look about the same color. One's a shimmer and one's a matte. These are beautiful colors. I love it. I love it, y'all. But I'll tell you something, not to say I'm never going to swatch another palette, because I will. I just was, when I was putting some makeup on earlier, I realized that my palettes are almost about to fall out off the shelf. So I have to do something. And I'm not one of those people that have 100 palettes. But I have a lot of palettes, and for someone that doesn't wear makeup all the time, you know, I don't know, you know, how good that is. And I don't know, I'm not saying I'm going to do like a, you know, show you all my palettes and clean them up or whatever, but I'm going to be more conservative about what I keep, I think is what I'm trying to say. But in the meantime, too, a lot of y'all tell me you should keep your palettes, Mary. And yeah. I should keep some. I should keep more. I've been trying to do better at that and keep them and have fun with them. But anyway, y'all, that is my Ice Cream Beauty. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, and I will take pictures and put it on Instagram like I usually do. So thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, y'all. Good to see you. And this is the week of Christmas, so if you celebrate Christmas, Merry, Merry Christmas to you. If you celebrate other things, I hope that you're having a wonderful holiday time. And before you know it, it's going to be 2020. And if you're following along with the Christmas treasure hunt, I'm going to throw this in. So we have the Glow Milk. And if you want it, I know I touched it all over the place, but you know, I'm not going to use it. I don't need a double-sided thing. So I'm going to give this cute little penguin away. It's the Base Blue brand. Excellent brand. Expensive. I know I touched all over it. You can wash it. But when I read about it being silicone on the one side, that's really for someone that needs to do some blending. I use a little blender, like, you know, to clean up. I don't really use a foundation blender. So if you would like to have that, you can have that. Just say it in your list of your bonuses, okay? And if you don't want it, I won't put it in, because like I said, I touched all over it. So I didn't realize what it was for. I was looking at the cuteness of it more so than the purpose of it. So, and of course you won't get this if you are the winner. You won't be getting this until sometime in January. So you won't get it in time for Christmas, but you'll still get it in winter time. So that is my video, my Ice Cream Beauty. It's such a great subscription. I really recommend it. I'm not sure when my 6 months are up. I think I started October. So I've got 3 more months of this, and then I think I might try the bag just to try it out to see, so that y'all can see too the difference of the box and the bag. We'll see. We'll see when we get there. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.